Ever wondered how to register on the Freelancer application to earn money? Imagine a world where you can work from anywhere, anytime on projects you love. That's the power of freelancing, and the Freelancer application is your gateway to this world. It connects you to a global marketplace brimming with opportunities. But how do you get started? How do you make sure you're set up for success? In this video, we will guide you through the registration process on the Freelancer application. Freelancer is an application that connects clients with freelancers globally. Imagine a marketplace bustling with activity, where skills meet opportunity. That's Freelancer in a nutshell. It's designed to be a digital bridge, spanning the globe, linking those who have specific tasks to be done with those who have the skills to do them. From graphic design to content creation, coding to translating, and much more, Freelancer hosts a vast array of categories. It's a platform where freelancers can showcase their skills, build their portfolio, and attract clients from all corners of the world. It's a place where you can work on what you love, set your own rates and hours, and gain the freedom that comes with being your own boss. With Freelancer, geographical boundaries and traditional office hours are things of the past. Now that you know what Freelancer is, let's dive into the registration process. The first step towards earning money on Freelancer is downloading the application. This is a simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, you'll find the Freelancer app in the App Store, while Android users can head over to the Google Play Store. Once you're in the right store, you'll need to search for freelancer.com. When you see the app, it should have a blue icon with a white bird inside. Click on the Get or Install button, and your device will handle the rest. Your device will automatically download and install the application. You'll know it's done when the Freelancer icon appears on your home screen or in your app drawer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Freelancer app. With the application now on your device, you are one step closer to earning money. After downloading the app, the next step is to create your account. Now let's dive into the account creation process. It's a simple process, but it's vital in your journey to becoming a freelancer. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the Sign Up button. It's usually found on the main screen, and it's your gateway to setting up your account. Once you've clicked on Sign Up, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This typically includes your email address and a username of your choice. Your email address will serve as your primary method of communication with the platform and potential clients, so make sure it's one you check regularly. Your username, on the other hand, will be your unique identifier on the platform. Think of it as your digital calling card, so choose one that represents you well. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. This is an essential step in protecting your account, so choose a password that is strong and secure. Try to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make your password as robust as possible. And remember, never share your password with anyone. Once you've filled out these fields, you'll usually be asked to verify your email address. This is an important step, as it helps to ensure the security of your account. You'll receive an email with a link or a code to confirm your email address. Just click on the link or enter the code, and you're all set. Finally, you'll have the opportunity to review the terms and conditions of the platform. It may seem tedious, but it's a good idea to read through these to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've done that, you can click on Accept or Agree, and voila, your account is created. Remember, creating your account is just the beginning. This is your foundation, your starting point. It's where you'll build your freelance career from, so it's important to get it right. Once you have set up your account, you are ready to move on to the next step, filling out your profile. A complete and powerful profile is crucial in attracting potential clients. Just as a storefront is vital to attracting customers to a shop, your profile is your digital storefront on the Freelancer app. It's the first thing clients see when they consider hiring you for their project. And as we all know, first impressions matter. So how do you ensure your profile stands out in a sea of talented freelancers? The first step is to be thorough. Fill out every section. Don't leave anything blank. The more information you provide, the more confident clients will feel about your ability to deliver quality work. Now let's talk about showcasing your skills. This isn't the time to be modest. If you're a graphic designer with a knack for creating stunning logos, make sure to highlight this. If you're a writer who can weave words into compelling narratives, let potential clients know. Be specific about your skills and expertise. Remember, clients are looking for freelancers who can solve their specific problems. Next, your experience. This is your chance to shine and showcase your past projects and achievements. If you've worked with big-name clients or on noteworthy projects, don't hesitate to mention them. But remember, it's not just about name dropping. It's about demonstrating how your previous experience makes you the best fit for the job. The next step is your portfolio. This is where you can show, not just tell, what you're capable of. Include samples of your best work. If you're a designer, showcase your designs. If you're a writer, include links to your published work. Make sure your portfolio is diverse to show your range of skills. Lastly, your profile picture. Yes, it matters. A professional-looking photo can make a big difference. It gives clients a glimpse into who they'll be working with. So, choose a photo where you look professional and approachable. With your profile set up, you are now ready to start bidding on projects. Make sure to revisit and update your profile regularly as your skills and experiences grow. Because remember, a powerful profile is your ticket to attracting more clients and landing more projects. Here's to your success on the Freelancer app. Bidding on projects is the final step to earning money on Freelancer. The first thing you'll want to do is search for projects that match your skills and interests. To do this, you can use the search bar at the top of the Freelancer homepage. Simply type in the keywords related to the project you're interested in, such as graphic design or content writing. The platform will then display a list of projects that match your search query. Once you've found a project that piques your interest, it's time to place a bid. Click on the project to view its details, and then click on the Place a Bid button. You'll be asked to enter a bid amount and a project completion time. Remember, your bid amount should reflect the value of your work, but also be competitive to increase your chances of winning the project. Now, it's time to write a proposal. This is your chance to convince the project creator that you are the best person for the job. Start by introducing yourself and explaining why you're interested in the project. Then, outline how you plan to complete the project and any relevant experience you have. Be clear, concise, and professional. A tip for successful bidding is to always read the project description carefully. This will help you understand the project creator's needs and how you can meet them. Additionally, always deliver what you promise. If you say you can complete a project by a certain date, make sure you can meet that deadline. Another tip is to start with smaller projects. As a new freelancer, it can be difficult to win larger projects without a proven track record. By starting with smaller projects, you can build up your reputation and increase your chances of winning larger projects in the future. Finally, don't be discouraged if you don't win a bid. Freelancing is a competitive field, and it can take time to start winning projects. Keep refining your bidding strategy and improving your skills. With these tips, you are now fully equipped to start earning money on Freelancer. Let's recap the steps you've taken to start earning money on Freelancer. You began this journey by downloading the Freelancer application. Easy enough, right? Just a simple click, and you were one step closer to your freelancing dreams. Next, you created an account. This is where you've laid the foundation, giving yourself an identity on the platform. You filled in your details, chose a unique username, and created a secure password. Remember, this is your professional image. Make it count. Then, you moved on to filling out your profile. This is where you really got to shine. You added your skills, your experience, your qualifications. You made yourself appealing to potential clients, showing them what you're capable of. Remember, your profile is your first impression. Make it impressive. Finally, you took the big step of bidding on projects. This is where the magic happens. You searched for projects that matched your skills, wrote compelling proposals, and waited for the clients to come knocking. Remember, your proposal is your pitch. Make it persuasive. With these steps, you are now ready to start your freelancing journey on Freelancer. You've done the hard work, you've set the stage. Now it's time to perform, so go ahead, take a deep breath and dive into the exciting world of freelancing. Happy earning,